Morning guys, and in front of me is HONOR Pad X8a, and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So start with opening the settings. Once enrolled, go to System and Updates and mark Language and Input. Here select Language and Region, and now mark Add Language. Choose the one that you want to apply. Okay, let me just wait till it's visible for you as well. Wakey wakey camera. Okay, so let me try to pick, for example, Czech. Maybe now. Okay, so once you pick the language, you will be asked if you truly want to make it your system language. Now click on Change to apply it. And that's it. As you can see, now it is set. Then whenever you want to change it, just do it the same way. So that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.